Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is only lasting around 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue often caused by a failing battery, which can degrade over time due to regular use. If left unaddressed, your vacuum may become increasingly less effective, ultimately leaving you with a device that's practically useless for cleaning tasks. To tackle this issue, we will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a compatible replacement battery for the Dyson V10. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and disconnected from the charger. Begin by placing the vacuum on a flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be careful to keep them safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. It might require a bit of force, but take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Now, locate the battery. It should be clearly visible once the casing is removed. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the circuit board. Take note of how the battery is positioned, as you'll need to install the new one in the same way. Carefully take out the old battery, making sure not to damage any surrounding components. Insert the new battery, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the battery connector, making sure it's secure. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson V10. Align the casing back onto the device, ensuring all clips are properly seated. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V10 and allow it to charge for several hours. After that, test the vacuum to ensure it's operating as expected. To prevent future battery issues, try to avoid letting the battery completely drain before recharging it. Regular maintenance and occasional battery checks can also prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.